Can you get an altitude on it at all?
The light that I saw was just like maybe, I don't know, 25 miles northwest of Detroit. Is that what you're referring to, or are you talking about the light that's at 12 o'clock now by 10 miles?
Any kind of target out here at 12 o'clock?
Oh, we got some kind of white light out there at 12 o'clock, and the captain says it's pulsating. Looks like oncoming traffic, but it's about the same place that it's been the whole, there for about 10 or 15 minutes we've been watching it. Yeah, it is. It looks like it's almost over Saginaw.
Okay, Air Shuttle 5959, contact Saginaw, approach control 126.4. I appreciate the information.
3179, that target looks like it's below us. I would estimate maybe 10,000 feet.
Around 10,000 feet. What would you think it might be, like a reflection, maybe perhaps off of beacon? That's just one of those weird things, natural phenomena that you're getting a reflection, because I got nothing out there.
I don't know. I mean, we can see a clear, you know, relatively solid cloud deck below us. And this is definitely a distinct whitish, well, it's looking a little reddish, greenish light sort of pulsating, and it is constant. It's not a beacon.
Very clear with Air Shuttle 5959. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, hey, just to keep this vibe, we're descending to 4,000 feet right now, and as we descended through 10,000 feet, that object is above us right now. It is not on the ground. It's about 10,000 feet.
Okay, sir. We're checking on it right now. I still don't have anything on front end at all that I'm showing it. I appreciate you coming back to the radio to let me know.
I'll give you right. I'll tell you what, there it is. It's the pulsating.
What's up at 3179? Where is it relative to you right now?
12 o'clock, sir.
I'm trying to do a little investigating as to what this might be. If you want to be advised on it.
Okay, sir. I'm going to put my weight down and see if I can get any action up. And 3179, was the other guy that saw that light, was he headed southeastbound, or was he headed straight to Chicago?
He was inbound to Saginaw, and actually, when I sent him over to Saginaw, I expected that would be the last I heard from him. He came back up on the frequency and advised me that his clearance was down to 4,000 now, and that he said what he saw was still up above him and was like a red, he said it was a red and green light that was pulsing and like rotating. And he said he'd keep me advised and give us a report once he got into Saginaw.